Good evening, friends. Today we'll see how to create YouTube channel arts using Canva. So let's search for a YouTube channel art, and you can see we have the templates available. Okay, so here is a list of all the templates, for YouTube channel art. So what we need to do is what we can do. Which industry or theme? Okay, suppose we need to design food YouTube channel art for hotel, and we are running suppose an offer. Okay, so here we can select one template. This looks cool, and sandwiches and all this looks yummy. So what we can do is change our brand name. Taxi and kitchen, it's a popular one in my area. Okay, what we need to do, it's barely visible. We need to increase the font so that it's visible. Can realign this. Can reduce the font. We can ungroup this. It will be deleted. Yeah. We can again group this. So there are a lot of options to group, ungroup, animate. Oh, how super cool it looks. Yeah, this looks pretty good. We can increase the timing. And what we can do is we can change the color as per our theme. This looks good. So we are ready to go, and what we can do is we can adjust this. Yeah. And that's it. We can download and we are good to go. So subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us for future videos, tips and tricks.